Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT4 Sport featured in Latte Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, a power sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, power lock and unlock, carbon fiber trim, with powered windows and mirrors, and the liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating, power lumbar and massaging seats, and we can hop inside. To the left, we have the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. On the right is the cluster and audio controls. Taking a look at the infotainment screen here, starting off with our audio. It comes equipped with AM and FM, as well as Sirius XM, and you can connect a phone using Bluetooth. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can check out the navigation and map. Throwing it in reverse, here's our backup camera. Just below that, we have our climate controls with heated and vented front seats, as well as our parking assist, hazards, and lane keep assist. Some extra storage down below with 2 USBs and a 12-volt. Infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, and the center console here. Popping that open. Storage up top as well as down below. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that is the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, some Cadillac badging as well as the XT4 and all-wheel drive. To open up the back, we can just double click. It's going to pop open for us, and we have a ton of storage space back here. Rear storage cover that lifts with the liftgate, lights on either side for added visibility, and we can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention the hidden storage you have down below that houses the spare tire with extra space on the sides. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents with rear heated seats and 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT4 Sport. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.